everybody, I decided to make this video because I've always wanted to make it. Today is April 14th, and this is the third year of my experiment that I made in 8th grade, and since it's been 3 years now, and I want to finally take it out of the aquarium I put it in. And technically, as you can see right here, the water is fairly dirty. It's not like salt water anymore. I would always try to refill it most of the time because it dries, like it right here. It always like dries out. So I want to finally get this thing out, and it's too dirty, and if I ever make a new one, I'll use the one right here. This one is solid metal, but it's steel. But it's much better than the one right here, which is made out of paper clips and stuff. And this thing really is like made out of not just paper clips, screws, staples, maybe other metals, and hair clips. And also duct tape, which isn't very good. So I want to use a full metal thing, or ship of it. And then once I paint that one, I could finally get the chance to put that in here. So what I'm going to do is take it out. This is what it first looked like before I was going to put it in. And this is what it looked like when it was finished, painted, and water already in it. There it is again. And this is the first day it was in there. And I think this probably was first full day, like 24 hours. And then this is an older version, and I have a watch in there too. I don't know how long that thing was been in there, but I want to try to get as much stuff out as I can. I'll try to be as careful as I can. The thing has some sharp objects in it. It has a fish hook. That's why this little fisher guy's on it. And this thing right here is, since there was a lot of salty stuff on it, like it still does, I had that so I could put water on it so it would soak up the whole thing so the salt, whatever it is, gets off. I don't like it at all. I want to finally take this thing off, and I could probably restart someday. There's a little fisherman right here. And that's the filter, and that's the fish hook, which is falling apart. And there's a little fish on here. I don't know if you can see that right here. I put that on there. And this fish hook, it's like crystal stuff on it. And it just fell off. Okay. Let me go get the watch. Oh, and the watch fell apart. And it's only the watch itself now. And I will put this out to dry. And the chain is completely broken off. I don't know what kind of metal it was. It's this. I'm not sure even what this is, but I think it was some chain that I didn't want. I had a necklace in here. This is, I think was supposedly to be the heart of the ocean. I'll put that back in there. I don't know what happened to it. First of all, let me just get the ship out. There it is. All rusty. smells in here. And here's the top of it. Oh, some of it didn't rust all that much. It's amazing. Right here. This is it right here. It's been 5 minutes right now. I'm gonna shut it off soon. I want to let this right here dry up on this platform I have for it, and I'll get anything else that I want out. And it fell. This is a jellyfish type thing. Supposedly it glows in the dark, but it's filthy, so I got fresh water to put it in. If you remember SpongeBob, that's the little thing. I think this was in for full 3 years, I think. And look what I have here. I decided to add him when I took him out of this little Burger King toy. I put him on there. He's probably been in there for 2 years. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a little longer than that. It has little fish weight things so he could sink. And I just thought, just to be funny, you know. And I'll put him in there. And some barnacle. It's not living. We found it. Just wanted to put it in there. Nothing special, just pieces of metal. Most of this stuff hasn't been in there for a full 3 years. I just added it recently. And as long as I'm careful. This is another fish that was hanging once, but I think it fell off. What is this? I think this was like a piece of metal. It has something on it. Interesting. Junk metal, stuff like this. This is bendable. I think it was like aluminum or whatever. Let me take the chocolate chip starfish out. Stuff like this I added in there, and this stuff has been in there ever since for 3 years. And there's a piece of metal in this one. All that in real quick. An opal rock. Some other stuff in here. Trying to hurry. Oh, there was sand in this one. And most of this, I did actually add some real ocean sand that I cut once. And that's about it on the other stuff I wanted to take out. So, I'll just turn this off, and I'll show you something that's pretty damn cool. Okay, right here. This thing is so cool. I went to the Science Museum and they had stuff like this. They actually sold real coal that was supposedly actually from Titanic itself. I think that's amazing, and that's something that seriously is worth having. This one's probably like $30 or whatever. They have necklaces of it. This is the biggest one I could get. The other one was like $100 or whatever. If you're a Titanic fan, you will love something like this, seriously. It's amazing. This next one won't be until Titanic itself is 100 years old, so it'll be like, I think around 2020. I would definitely sink this one.